Okay, this is the Dynapath 3-axis CNC Bed Mill, model Series 500, serial number B3EC-200-35306. It's new in July 2007. It's got a 10 by 50 table, 31 inches of X travel, 15 inches of Y, 19 inches of Z. It's a 40 taper spindle with 5,000 RPM, variable speed, direct drive. Dynapath 200M control, and we're going to run it for you. By the way, that's the tooling there. So we're going to run the spindle. That's 2,000 RPM. You can barely even hear it. 2,100, and you can use the override to slow it down. And again, you can barely even hear it. All right, let's run a few of the axes around, just jog them. No, you have it, yep. That's the X. Okay, the Z. Okay. And now we're going to run a little program we have in there. Hit auto. There we go. So it's running the spindle right now. It's going to be making some moves. And again, while this program is getting going, I'm going to show you here. That's your serial number and year. That's your automatic lubrication system. And that's your program running. Is it going to make a move soon?
Yes, almost done with the Z.
Almost done with the Z. The Z is actually on moving, which is feeding slowly. It's almost there. Again, you do have all the manuals, the leveling pads, the tool holders, some collets. Back to the home. So it's basically you saw it moving in 3-axis operation. You saw the spindle go. Oh, by the way, that's a power drawbar. Walking around the machine a little bit. Thank you for watching the video.